Hello everyone and welcome to today's presentation where we'll be delving into the world of successful and successful platform drawing insights from the material covered in. Start by examining successful platforms. One prime example is Airbnb. Airbnb is realized by the travel and hospitality industry by providing a platform for individuals to rent out their homes or spare rooms to travelers. What contributed to its success? One key factor is to focus on creating seamless user experience including easy booking and payment process along with a robust review and rating system. Another successful platform is Netflix. Netflix has disrupted the traditional television and movie industry by offering a vast library of content accessible anytime, anywhere through the streaming technology. Its success can be attributed to its data-driven approach to content recommendation, personalized user interfaces, and investment in original content production. Now, let's explore some examples of unsuccessful platform. One, a notable case in Blockbuster. Once dominant force in the video rental industry, Blockbuster failed to adapt the changing consumer preferences and technological advancements such as online streaming. Its relentless to embrace digital innovation ultimately lead to its downfall. Another example of an unsuccessful platform is Google Plus. Despite being launched by tech giant Google Plus failed to gain traction in the social media landscape dominated by platforms like Facebook and Twitter. Its complex interface, lack of compelling features, and failures to differentiate itself from existing platforms contributed to its demise. Now, what valuable insights can we extract from these examples? Firstly, the importance of user experience cannot be overrated. Successful platforms prioritize simplicity, convenience, and user engagement. Secondly, the ability to adapt to evolving market trends and technologies is crucial for long-term success and financially differentiation and innovation are key to standing out in the crowded market. In conclusion, by studying both successful and successful platforms, we can glean valuable lessons applicably to various contexts. Wherever you're launching a startup, leading a digital transformation, or simply seeking to understand consumer behavior, analyzing platforms can be invaluable insights. Thank you and goodbye.